Benefits of Narrow AI. Despite its limitations, Narrow AI has already brought countless benefits. It powers healthcare, assisting doctors with faster, more accurate diagnoses. AI systems like Google's DeepMind have even predicted protein structures, advancing medical research. Finance, fraud detection, stock trading algorithms, and customer service chatbots. Transportation, lane detection, adaptive cruise control, and the backbone of autonomous driving research. Education, personalized learning apps that adapt to each student's progress and needs. Customer experience, chatbots that provide 24/7 support, translation tools that break language barriers, and recommendation systems that personalize shopping or entertainment. Though narrow, the reach of these systems is vast. Challenges of Narrow AI. But Narrow AI is not without problems. Fragility, it fails outside its training environment. A self-driving car trained in sunny California might struggle in snowy Canada. Bias, if the training data contains bias, the AI reflects it. Hiring AIs have been shown to discriminate when trained on biased resumes. Ethical concerns, Narrow AI can be used for surveillance, deepfakes, and manipulative advertising. Job displacement, as AI automates repetitive tasks, workers in industries like retail, transportation, and data entry may face disruption. Narrow AI is useful, but it is not always neutral. The promise of General AI. If achieved, General AI could be revolutionary. Imagine machines that don't just execute commands but understand goals and work alongside humans to solve the world's biggest challenges. Climate change. General AI could analyze global patterns and design solutions to reduce emissions. Medicine, it could develop cures for diseases by connecting knowledge across biology, chemistry, and data science. Education, it could act as a personal tutor for every child, adapting to their pace and style of learning. Scientific discovery, General AI could accelerate breakthroughs in physics, space exploration, and renewable energy. The potential is staggering. Concerns about General AI. But with promise comes fear. General AI raises deep questions. Control. How do we ensure an AI with human-level intelligence acts in humanity's best interest? Alignment. How do we align a machine's goals with human values, especially when human values themselves differ? Power. If a General AI surpasses human intelligence, sometimes called superintelligence, could it make decisions we cannot understand, challenge, or stop? Ethics. Should a General AI have rights? If it becomes conscious, how do we treat it? Philosophers, scientists, and ethicists debate these issues intensely. Some argue General AI could be humanity's greatest invention, others fear it could be our last. Where are we now? As of today, all functioning AI is Narrow AI. From your phone's autocomplete to Google Translate, from TikTok recommendations to hospital diagnostics, every AI system you interact with is narrow in scope. General AI remains a long-term vision. Researchers are making progress. Large language models, robotics, and advanced learning algorithms are steps in that direction, but we are far from a system that can think and act like a human across domains. Conclusion. When we talk about the types of AI, the main distinction lies between Narrow AI and General AI. Narrow AI is powerful, practical, and already shaping our world, but it is limited to specific tasks. General AI represents the dream of creating machines that think, reason, and adapt like humans, but it remains a challenge for the future. Both concepts are crucial. Narrow AI shows us what is possible today, while General AI challenges us to imagine what might be possible tomorrow. As we continue to advance, the question is not only how far AI can go, but how wisely we as humans choose to guide it. Artificial intelligence is not just a story of machines. It is a mirror of human ambition, creativity, and responsibility. The choices we make today will shape the intelligence of tomorrow. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is one of the most transformative technologies of our time. It powers our phones, drives innovation across industries, and is slowly reshaping how we live, work, and even think. From the way we communicate to the way we shop, AI has woven itself into the fabric of daily life. But when people talk about AI, they often use the term as if it's one single thing, one giant machine brain changing the world. In reality, AI comes in different forms and levels of capability. Some are already embedded in our everyday routines, while others still belong to the realm of science fiction. Two of the most important categories in this discussion are narrow AI and general AI. Understanding the difference between them helps us see where we are today, what's possible tomorrow, and what questions we must ask ourselves about the future of intelligence, both natural and artificial. What is narrow AI? Narrow AI, sometimes called weak AI, is the type of artificial intelligence we most often encounter today. It is designed to perform a specific task or solve a particular problem. Unlike humans, who can transfer skills from one domain to another, narrow AI systems don't possess general reasoning. Instead, they are specialized, laser-focused, and efficient in the area they are trained for. Think of narrow AI as an expert in one subject. For example, a chess-playing AI that can beat the world champion but has no idea how to brush its teeth. A voice assistant like Siri or Alexa that can set reminders, answer questions, and play music, but cannot cook a meal or paint a picture. Recommendation systems on Netflix, YouTube, or Spotify that suggest shows, videos, or music, but cannot recognize your mood unless it's measured in clicks and patterns. The strength of narrow AI lies in precision and efficiency. Because it's trained on vast amounts of data for a specific purpose, it can often outperform humans in that one narrow area. For instance, AI models in healthcare can analyze thousands of X-rays or MRIs in seconds, spotting early signs of disease with accuracy rates higher than many doctors. In finance, fraud detection systems can flag suspicious transactions in milliseconds, protecting billions of dollars. But at the same time, narrow AI is deeply limited. If you take it out of its domain, it becomes useless. The AI that can detect cancer in medical scans cannot suddenly drive your car. The self-driving car system that navigates a highway cannot write poetry. Narrow AI is powerful, but it is also rigid. What is general AI? On the other hand, we have general AI, sometimes called strong AI. This is the concept of creating a machine that has the ability to understand, learn, and apply intelligence across multiple domains, just like a human being. General AI would not just excel in one task, it could handle a wide variety of tasks, adapt to unfamiliar situations, and even think creatively. Imagine a general AI that could write a symphony in the morning, solve a complex math equation in the afternoon, diagnose an illness by evening, then teach itself to play chess at night, without anyone programming it to do so. This is the kind of AI we often see in movies and books. Characters like the androids in Westworld, JRVS from Iron Man, or Data from Star Trek embody the vision of general AI, machines that hold conversations, make decisions, express emotions, and even develop personalities. While the idea of general AI is exciting, it remains largely theoretical. We do not yet have machines with this level of adaptability and understanding. Researchers around the world are experimenting with models that simulate aspects of human reasoning, but we are still far from creating an AI with the flexible, conscious intelligence of a human mind. Some experts predict it could take decades, others argue it may never happen. Key differences between narrow AI and general AI. Now that we've defined them, let's break down the differences more clearly. 1. Scope of ability. Narrow AI, specialized in one area. General AI, broad capability across many domains. 2. Learning. Narrow AI, learns only within the boundaries of the data it is trained on. General AI, would learn and adapt like a human, transferring knowledge to new, unfamiliar situations. 3. Flexibility. Narrow AI, limited flexibility, cannot function outside its programmed purpose. General AI, extremely flexible, capable of reasoning, problem-solving, and creativity across contexts. 4. Examples. Narrow AI, search engines, recommendation systems, self-driving cars, spam filters, chatbots. General AI, still a vision of the future, machines with human-like intelligence. 5. Current status. Narrow AI, already in use across industries and everyday life. General AI, still under research and theoretical exploration. Benefits of narrow AI. Despite its limitations, narrow AI has already brought countless benefits. It powers healthcare, assisting doctors with faster, more accurate diagnoses. AI systems like Google's DeepMind have even predicted protein structures, advancing medical research. Finance, fraud detection, stock trading algorithms, and customer service chatbots. Transportation, lane detection, adaptive cruise control, and the backbone of autonomous driving research. Education, personalized learning apps that adapt to each student's progress and needs. Customer experience, chatbots that provide 24/7 support, translation tools that break language barriers, and recommendation systems that personalize shopping or entertainment. Though narrow, the reach of these systems is vast.